This is known as the Range 307. It goes through metal and it points towards the wall that you can find voltage. There's a red LED indicator, a rotating volume control, and the indicator light acts as a flashlight as well. So what we're going to go do is demonstrate this by a fuse panel and where some voltage is at. Turn on the unit and just simply look for your volt. There we go, right there. So now we have tested our unit out and you know how it works, checking for voltage. Maybe this is a product that you are looking for in the Range R307. Enjoy your product. If you are looking for your shorts, I hope this is what you are after. Thank you for viewing. Have a great day.